Capturing swarm number 5 didn't quite go to plan. Obviously they voted a majority that they didn't want to stay, they wanted to exit. So this is when the consensus is stay out. So perfectly good hive there, but they want to live on the outside. It reminds me of something going on in England at the moment. Quite a lot of dancing going on. Look, see all those bees dancing around? I won't get too close because I'm not wearing a suit. Just come out to see them, but they've all decided to live on the outside. I'm right in the flight path. What a silly place to stay. But you can see, I hope, I can zoom in a bit while I'm doing this. There you go. Look at that lot of excited little bunnies, eh? Okay, I agree, they're not bunnies, they're bees. Wow. I'm kind of hoping they will find that hole at the bottom to go through. Some are in, some are out. Still. Swarm number 5. Bit busy for me today.